right now. Okay, hey there, I'm Mr. Smith. If you ever felt like math is a puzzle, hence the puzzle pieces, where the pieces just don't fit, you're not alone. So many students, including my students, struggle with the basics, and that's exactly where I come in. Welcome to Math with Mr. Smith, where we take the tough stuff and break it down into bite-sized, understandable pieces. That's the goal. All right. So, my goal here is to help you master those foundational concepts that are absolutely crucial for success in AP Calculus, AP Pre-Calculus, and any math that you want to take past geometry, actually, geometry even. We're talking about things like algebra, fractions, simplification, log rules, things that all calc students, well, not all, but most calc students struggle with. And all those building blocks that can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to make higher level math not just doable, but for me, but enjoyable. All right, so how are we going to make math click? Okay, we're going to have everyday examples. We're going to have visual aids like you see here. We're going to have step-by-step guides. As you can see here, talking about fractions, we may turn it into pizza slices, and then we can take that and turn it into a graphical representation. And you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a total of 6 pieces of this fraction here, and the one in white is just 1. So what do we have here? We would have 1/6. All right. So how am I going to do this? First off, I'm going to use everyday examples, like I said, to show you how these math concepts connect to the real world. For instance, fractions aren't just random numbers on a page. They're how you figure out how to split a pizza with your friends or measure ingredients for your favorite recipe. And algebra, it's not just letters and numbers. It's a tool to solve real problems while calculating how much you'll save during a big sale. On top of that, we'll use visual aids and step-by-step guides to make sure every concept sinks in. No more getting lost in a mess of numbers and symbols. I'll be right there with you, walking you through each step until it all clicks. All right. Who is this for? Well, this is for AP Calculus and AP Pre-Calc students. If you're a high school student gearing up for AP Calc or AP Pre-Calc, this is your go-to spot. But it's not just for AP students. If you're anyone who wants to strengthen your math foundation, maybe you're aiming for an A in your class or just want to feel more confident with numbers, you're in the right place. I got you covered. What to expect? The goal is to keep the videos to 10 minutes. Okay? We're going to have clear explanations, examples, and even some practice problems in those 10 minutes to help you master the material. I'll keep things short and sweet so you can focus on what matters most, understanding the concepts without feeling overwhelmed. So what's coming up? In our next few videos, we'll dive into topics like working with fractions, making them less scary and more manageable, getting comfortable with algebra, turning those confuses X's and Y's into something you can handle, and then really understanding functions. That goes all the way back to pre-calculus. Understanding function notation and what a function actually is, and input, output, etc., etc. The stepping stones to calculus, they are. And don't worry, we'll start from the basics and build up together so you'll never be left feeling lost. All right? So, how's this going to work? Well, I want you to join me. I want you to subscribe. If you're ready to conquer your math fears of building a strong foundation for AP Calc, AP Pre-Calc, or just math in general, I'd love for you to join me. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey together. My mission is to make math less scary and more fun, one video at a time. We will have short snippets on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, as well as these 10-minute videos on YouTube. We're talking about 60-second blurbs on the other ones, and I'll have links below to help you join those as well. So thanks for stopping by Math with Mr. Smith. I can't wait to see you in the next video.